1 minute you will improve level in Excel. Weeknum function. 2. In the slicer is showing filter difference balance of coffee shop. Workday function. In Excel, 1, 2, 3, and 4 is holiday doesn't count. 5 is count, but 6 and 7 don't count because is weekend. Weeknum function. This is an exercise want to share to you. Next, insert slicer to filter data. Before use this function, read please. Please note, in per year has 54 weeks. In 360 days. Now, let's see my column exercise. First, column is date. In second column is coffee shop, there are 6. In these column is amount sale coffee. Here is my week total in per year that sale coffee. Okay, now I remove the function. Chart and slicer. Next, click on cell and press equals. Press Weeknum and click on date. Close parentheses and enter. The outcomes show week number in a year that start from January. Next, hold select 3 column and click Insert. After, click to choose chart style. Click Amount and remove. Next, change the chart style. Click Add Chart and show inside balance. Click on week number and remove. And next, insert slicer. Select column and click on Insert. Choose slicer. Check on coffee shop and OK. Click on coffee shop 1. 2. In the slicer is showing filter difference balance of coffee shop. Click here Release All. OK, I express you that when to use Weeknum. If we want to find week total in per year, this function can help you. Weeknum is done. Workday function. Here is my example we'll share to you. I want to show the answer date line on cells. Before practice, I show with definition of Workday function. Workday is a function return the date workday of the staff, but excludes holidays and weekend. Next, read the question in this exercise. Please, set dateline project and don't count holidays and weekend. In this practice, I choose September of month to explain. And I have a holiday on the 4th of September that don't count in dateline. Now, let's practice. I clear the cells. Next, press equals and type Workday function. Click Start Date and comma. Next, click Days Set for Dateline Project. Comma, and click on Holiday. Next, click Close parentheses and press Enter. OK, the results show on cells. I would like to express you that the start project is September 1st, 25, and duration has 11 days. The result I need to submit before September 17th, 25, and this date don't count holiday and weekend. Now count the date start from first day. 1, 2, 3, and 4 is holiday doesn't count. 5 is count, but 6 and 7 don't count because is weekend. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 are count. 13, 14 don't count is weekend. but 15, 16 are count. The end date is 17. You can count from one day to next 11 days and subtract holiday and weekend. You will know the result. Weeknum and Workday functions has done.